he is low.
Look at how he's coming back around.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. Hey.
Guys, Evie Mac Life, welcome back to the channel. Do me a favor, if you like motorcycles, if you like mini motos, you tuned into the right channel. I'll tell you why, because we are gonna ride today. It is beautiful out. And you know, when it's beautiful out, I do two things. I ride my motorcycle, and yes, I go get food, of course. But today I'm riding with my brother Ryan. He's already been riding for hours. Gonna meet him up probably about a half hour away, and we are going to, well, we still got to kind of decide what we're doing. I think we're going to go into this like little twisty area to ride. I haven't been there in years. I don't know what the hell it's called, but we might go there. We're going to go get some food, little hot dog stand. It's kind of sketchy. I've never been there before. I've drove by it a million times. It's always looked kind of sketchy. Now they painted it, so now it's like less sketchy. I don't know. We'll see. Supposedly they got a good Chicago hot dog, so I don't know. I will eat there and I'll give you my rating. And guys, look at stickers. I got stickers. If you want stickers, you got to be subscribed. Drop me an email. All that's in my bio on YouTube, and you know I can send you some stickers. Vance and Hines stickers are going. I'm running out of them. People have been asking for those. Yeah, I'm gonna get on the Rebel now. I'm dying to ride, and I'm also starving. Like I know it's typical. I'm starving, but I am. I didn't eat lunch, and I'm gonna stop yapping now. I'm gonna grab the keys to the Rebel, and gonna meet my brother. So let's go now. You betcha. What's up?
Way down there.
You did? There's some Harley guy next to me. His hands were rattling.
I heard him too.
Hands were rattling on that
I
thing.
heard that and I go, Astroglide?
Astroglide?
The-
That's
the
anal.
Harley.
Astroglide, that's anal. That's anal.
It is, man. I said, what? And I'm in a forest preserve, so that's a
No.
little weird. Why would he ask me?
Astroglide. The Harley Astroglide?
Get on your Harley, bro.
No.
No. Yeah, that's weird.
Those are street glides, right?
Street glide. That's
Not,
Astroglide.
not astro anal
I
glides.
didn't mean that. No Bruno. No
Well,
Bruno.
I mean, it smells good over here. Must be that PF
Oh,
Chang's.
yeah, definitely. So where we going Toilet?
I don't know. I was thinking so. Either
It's gonna get by 8 o'clock. It's gonna be 55 degrees.
it's not that bad.
I got my jacket.
Did you use this at all for the music?
Yeah, the first time I did. Yeah, not music. I was listening to Rover.
Oh, okay.
But I can't really hear it over my exhaust.
Hey, let me.
Yeah,
all right. So, what do you think about the seat, the new one?
Well, I like it. I like the style.
Yeah.
I'm only 5'9", but I wish I had just a little bit more room.
You're 5'11" in heels, though.
But I just wish it was like back here because I want to get comfy.
Oh, you wish
And
it was
I
back
can't.
one?
I gotta sit up, you know, like.
No, but is it? How is it comfort-wise?
Oh, it's comfortable. It's comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just getting broken in.
All right. Well, do you want me to put my seat on there and you try that one out? I'll just do it. I'll just change it out, and then you tell me if you like the other one better, and if so, I'll take that one. But it doesn't matter. It's not like it's sharing seats anyway. It's not like it's.
Bought it anyways.
It's not like this is mine. I mean, it's the same shit.
Well purchased.
So.
Mismatched.
My seat's coming in the padded one.
Yeah.
The stitched padded. That should be here any day, just to match the
stitching.
stock. Huh?
Like this stitching.
Yeah, but this is real stitching. That's fake stitching.
Oh yeah.
See, this is fake.
Well, you put that on my bike for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's Honda's upgraded OEM seat, but some people say that the padding is worse than the stock.
That one's way more padded. Like,
Yeah?
Yeah, this feels like a rock.
Oh, this is more. You should see this. This is more of a rock. Well, this don't feel too bad. But the new padded seat I got, it's thicker. It comes up to like here,
Yeah.
and then it's got that same stitching. So we'll see.
Is this thing already chirping?
Yep. Yep. From rocks?
That's not.
No.
That's not stock.
No, these aren't stock. I put these on there.
I know. Do I have the same one?
Yeah, you got the same ones.
How long have you had that one?
Not long.
Okay, so mine will start doing that.
Yeah. Well,
It's rock.
we'll try it out.
Finally, the sun doesn't set till 8 o'clock.
Yeah, I know. We had to move them. I don't think those cars are gonna get by. Yeah, they're good there, right? Perfect. No, you're good. Oh, look at that with the Blackhawks logo in the background. All right, let's go. See how this. Alright, here's what it looks like. I feel like I got skimped on the fries. You got like a couple more than me. What is that? That's 10 fries. Hopefully this is Vienna beef. I don't know, it took forever to get this. Why? Is that ketchup or hot sauce? Let's find out right now.
It's ketchup. Also, this is beef, bro. It'll be harder.
Alright, let's see how this is.
No offense, if I like to go home, but
Alright, Ryan.
Go.
On the hot dog. 1 out of 10, Dave Portnoy style. What are we giving it here? It's actually not as bad as I thought.
No, me neither. I'd go.
No, don't go fries, just the dog.
No. The dog is all beef, so I'll go 7. 7.5.
7.5. I'm gonna go.
It's not one.
Yeah, there's no snap to it.
No.
And I've had Gene and Jude's. I'm gonna go 6.5. What about the fries?
Fries? I'm gonna go 8.5.
8.5.
For sure.
Okay. Fries actually are pretty good. They like
Seasoning.
the seasoning. They got a little crunch to them. They remind me of the old school Burger King fries.
Yeah, they actually do.
I'm gonna go.
And they're hot.
I'll go 7. Well, see, they could have gave me more though.
Yeah.
I know I'm going on taste, but I gotta bump it down a little bit. 7.2 on the fries. So. are back. It was a fun ride. It got pretty cold. He looks cold. Going back to the place we went to go eat at, we kind of wish we really never went there.
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
I don't know.
Well, that car, we didn't even see it.
We would never, yeah. I don't know if my rating was accurate. Another thing we forgot to mention is as soon as you walked in, it smelled like sewage.
Yeah.
Like there was a backup in the bathroom and it was coming from the bathroom area, which we probably should have left right then and there.
Yeah.
And I don't know if you noticed in the video, they had blue tape on the menu, which was like a TV screen. And the blue tape, which was pretty much painter's tape, was they were Xing out everything they didn't have.
Which was 90% of it.
Which was 90% of the... So basically you get a hot dog, a burger, and
And a Polish on a hot dog bun.
and a Polish on a hot dog bun. So...
And it took 20 minutes.
And it took 20 minutes to get a hot dog. And I don't know where you guys are from, but here in Chicago, if you're a good hot dog joint, if you're a good hot dog joint, first of all, there's a line out the door. Second of all, once you get to the register to tell them what you want, you're handed that hot dog within 30 seconds. So, yeah, it took like 20 minutes to get it. So, yeah, we're never going there again.
Well, the last bite of my hot dog tasted like
Oh,
a
it's,
steak taco.
Yeah, yeah, the last bite of this hot dog tasted like a taco. So, yeah, not good. And then we ended up over here at a local bar, had a drink, and that's it. That's the vlog. Definitely not going to that place again. We got to pick better spots. Maybe we got to go into the city. I think we still haven't done a Chicago ride on the Rebel. Maybe we'll do that. We'll hit up Sheridan Road and hit up some restaurants out there. But with all that said, guys, Ryan, do you know what should the viewers do if they like this video?
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, there you go.
Did I get it?
You did. All right, we're out. Peace.